In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to set up a basic website. Now, following on from the previous exercise, we've created a site, hence we've got the name of my site there, we have our empty site there with the images folder, but no other web pages in there. So the first thing we need to do is click on File, New, Blank Page, HTML, and we're going to create our first page, blank page, HTML, none, and using the same settings as there, and we create. So at the moment we've got a blank page. And the first things first, okay, I'm going to create what we call a navigation bar. That's where you have a list of options at the top of your website. So we go Insert, and then I'm going to go Table, 1 row and 4 columns, table width 100%, that means the table will cover the whole of the screen, 0 thickness, 0 cell padding, 1 cell spacing, and none. Click on OK. So that will give us our nice layout. Now we need to put some text in there. So we click on the first cell, that will be my home option. That's going to be option 1. Option 1. Option 1. Option 2. And option 3. Now obviously that doesn't look very appealing, so we need to add some colour, so I'm going to put some colour on there. So we'll select it all, clear at the bottom here where it says HTML there, BG meaning background, and we'll click on there and we'll create a nice red colour. Now obviously you can't see the text now, so we need to change the colour of the text. So again, we click inside it and select it. Now you need to change, where it says HTML there, you need to change it to CSS, and in here it says targeted rule, change that to new inline style, and we click on here and click to white, and that gives us our options. We can also make it bold as well, just to make it stand out a bit more. Okay, so just make sure it is bold, yeah, each one. And if you do make a mistake, just go back and edit it and change it so it looks similar to that. Now, you might want to change the spacing or make it look a bit better, that's up to you. I mean, we can click on this, perhaps add some more spacing if it doesn't look quite right, just to give it a little more gaps there. So that's what we call our navigation bar. You might want to, instead of having it on the left, you might want to click it all and center each one. So you can click on there, go into the center, the aligned center at the bottom, and make that center. Again, you might need to change the text again. So go there, make that white, so forth. Again, like so. And again, you can play around with this as much as you need to. Okay? So, that is now our navigation bar, which doesn't mean a lot at the moment, obviously. But what we need to do is save that now. So we're going to file save as, and we're going to call it our index. Or if you like, we can call it our home page. Now you just need to call it home, and it will automatically add the extension HTML. We save it. Now we know it's there because it appears in the bottom right hand corner there, and that is our home page. Now then, obviously we need to add further pages. So first of all, we're going to create, in our next tutorial, we'll create some pages.